One quiet morning, Sam decided to visit his little friend Bibi. There was no special occasion. They simply wanted to spend another beautiful day together. The kitchen was already waiting for them. Today, they would bake something with love. Every little step made them smile. There was no hurry. Good things always take time. While the food was baking, Sam quietly watched the warm oven. Bibi stayed close beside him. Sometimes waiting together is the happiest part of the day. The delicious smell slowly filled the room. Both little friends could hardly wait. At last the food was ready. Sam carefully picked up his piece. Bibi took hers with both tiny hands. The first bite made everything worthwhile. No one spoke. Only happy little chewing sounds filled the room. After such a tasty meal, a cool drink felt perfect. They slowly sipped together, one straw for Sam, one straw for Bibi. Simple moments often become our most precious memories. As the afternoon became quieter, the little house felt warmer than ever. There was nothing extraordinary about this day, just two little friends. A homemade meal, a few smiles, and another beautiful memory to keep forever. Thank you for spending this peaceful day with Sam and Bibi. See you again in our next memory.